Hello friends, in this video we are going to see gate problem from the topic laminar flow. Let's start. As per the given question in GATE 2016 Mechanical Engineering Set 3, question number 39 for 2 marks. Consider a fully developed steady laminar flow of an incompressible fluid with viscosity mu through a circular pipe of radius capital R, given that the velocity at a radial location of r by 2 from the center line of the pipe is u1. The shear stress at the wall is K mu u1 by r, where K is. So we have to find the value of K. So what is given here? First of all, it is given that the condition velocity at a radial location of r by 2 from the center line is u1. Correct. That means you know the velocity equation, general velocity equation in the laminar flow. U is equal to minus 1 by 4 mu dou p by dou x into r square minus of r square. This is general expression for velocity in the circular pipe with laminar flow. So the condition given is at the radial location of r by 2 from the center line, the velocity is u1. That means u is equal to u1, correct? U is equal to 1 at r is equal to r by 2. This is the given condition. U equal to u1 and r equal to r by 2. So we'll put this condition in the given equation number 1. So u will be replaced with the u1. u1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 mu dp by dx into r square minus of small r square. Small r is capital R by 2. So I can write here r square by 4. In the next step, I can get the value minus 1 by 4 mu u1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 mu dou p by dou x into 4r square minus r square is 3r square by 4. Correct. So from this, we can find out the value of dou p by dou x, or you can say minus dou p by dou x value, we can find it out. Your minus dou p by dou x will be equal to u1 into 4 mu, correct? u1 into 4 mu into 4 by 3r square into 4 by 3r square. So this is the value of minus dou p by dou x we are getting from this equation. Let us say this equation is A. Okay, u1 into 4 mu into 4 by 3r square. Now second condition is given here in the question. The shear stress at the wall is K mu u1 by r. What is the general formula of shear stress? Tau is equal to minus of dou p by dou x. Tau is equal to minus of dou p by dou x into r by 2. This is the general formula for finding the shear stress at any point inside the pipe in case of laminar flow. At the wall, it is given the condition at the wall. So at the wall is tau naught. Tau naught is equal to minus dou p by dou x into this small r will change to capital R at the wall, correct? Capital R. And now we can put the value. Tau naught value is given K mu u1 by r. This value for the tau naught, that is wall shear stress, r, equal to minus dou p by dou x. So minus dou p by dou x, this value you can put here, u1 into 4 mu. From the equation A, we are keeping the value of minus dou p by dou x into 4 by 3r square into r by 2, this r by 2, correct? So now we can cancel the terms and we can find out the final answer. So first of all, you can cancel this mu, gets cancelled with this mu, correct? And r square, this r can be cancelled with this r can be cancelled with this r, correct? And this r cannot cancel with this r, so all the r can be cancelled here, radius is cancelled now. And u1, yes, this u1 can also be cancelled with this u1. So on the left side you can see it is remaining k. This k is equal to, right hand side we are left with the 4 into 4, 16 by 3 to just 6. So I can say it is nothing but 2.666. So this is the correct value of k. Okay, final answer, k is equal to 2.666. Okay, thank you.